befitting the world's second-largest semiconductor company. Intel's recent announcement that it plans to build 2 state-of-the-art chip factories in the U.S. in New Albany, Ohio, came accompanied by some very heavy-duty figures. Envisioned as the largest semiconductor manufacturing site on the planet, it will entail an initial investment of more than $20 billion and encompass a mammoth 1,000-acre complex that can house 8 semiconductor fabrication plants. It also includes a 10-year, $100 million pledge to build partnerships with academic institutions to strengthen semiconductor-focused talent and research initiatives. By the end of the decade, total investments could cross more than $100 billion. What are the larger implications of these plans for the global semiconductor industry? How does this play out against the current semiconductor microchip shortage, which has wreaked havoc on multiple automotive, gaming, and consumer electronics industries? Will the potential increase in semiconductor production mean an associated fall in the price of the products in which they are used? After all, the semiconductor crunch translated into production slowdowns while hiking the prices of everything from cars to cell phones. Our recent report tracked the severe ramifications of the global semiconductor shortage across multiple industries, projecting revenue losses amounting to upwards of $61 billion for the automotive sector alone, with 2.5 million fewer vehicles rolling off assembly lines in 2021. In this context, Intel's recent announcement isn't particularly surprising. It mirrors a slew of similar efforts undertaken worldwide to ramp up semiconductor chip production to meet surging demand and strengthen local production. Globally, semiconductor companies have pushed for greater supply chain diversification to avoid sudden, unexpected disruptions. According to the White House, almost $80 billion worth of new projects has been announced in the U.S. since early 2021.